Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of the Almost Weekend Update with your PortX Logistics News expert, Tessie and Alex.
Hey.
First up, an update on the equipment shortage in most markets. With only about 20% of vessels in the Trans-Pacific arriving at US ports on schedule, terminal operators say they are unable to pre-plan their operations each day. Unreliable vessel arrivals, chassis shortages, and rail service degradation will continue to fuel congestion at US East and West Coast ports this fall. It's a situation that will get worse unless containers are moved swiftly from the terminals to the warehouses.
Port and terminal managers across the country concede that the unprecedented surge in imports caught them by surprise, as neither they nor their inland supply chain partners have been able to ramp up their assets quickly enough to handle the spike in cargo. Next up, an update on the import volume and chassis shortages in 2022. Lack of vessel capacity in the Trans-Pacific and a shortage of chassis won't show the first signs of easing for at least 6 months. On Monday, a record of 56 container ships were at anchor outside the port of LA, with 31 additional container ships at berth being worked. The average time of vessels at anchor is currently 8.5 days.
It's crazy. Chassis shortages are contributing to congestion not only in Southern California, but also in Savannah and Charleston, as well as inland rail hubs like Chicago, Memphis, and Kansas City. In the Southeast, the street dwell time of chassis with containers sitting on them has more than doubled from 6 days to about 15 days. The US chassis supply nationwide is stressed and will likely remain so well into 2022.
And for our next segment, a little news update on the culture here at PortX.
Sure, yeah.
First, kind of a sad one.
Oh, yeah.
One of our ops team members, David, is leaving this week. I think he had his last day on Wednesday.
Yeah, and yeah, that's a sad one. David was a big part of our LA operations out there. Also, a really big T fan.
Yeah.
So hopefully he'll continue to watch us.
Yeah, I hope so. We're gonna miss David a lot.
Yeah, we are. Also, Tyler's here from Savannah, working on the chassis shortages there, getting some help out here. We're switching some things around with Tyler. He needs as much help as he can get. Savannah is really congested these days, so there's a lot of work out there.
Yes.
We're getting it done.
I know. I can't believe how crazy Savannah has been. Every time I talk to Tyler, I feel like it's just absolute chaos there.
I know, right?
Yeah.
But I mean, what did they do? We went to the Bills game. He's up here, we're having a time too, so it's great to have him in the office.
Yeah, it is. For those of you who don't know, Tyler originally is from Buffalo and started working in the office. And he moved down to Savannah a year and a half ago now?
Yeah, we got our own assets down there, got a warehouse going, some other things in the works, so stay tuned on that.
Yeah, so we miss him a lot in the Buffalo office when he's not here.
So it's great to have him.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and then last up, we have a girls' night planned for Friday.
Yeah, just the PortX girls.
Yeah, so we're gonna do a meditation. I think we're gonna learn a little bit more about each other and do some team bonding, and then go to dinner at a really nice restaurant down in the South Towns.
Yeah, I haven't been to this restaurant yet, so I'm excited for it. I'm excited to see what we learn, and we can report on it next week during the tea.
Yeah, stay tuned for some pictures from that night.
Yeah, it'll be good.
Yeah.
Cool. All right, well, that's Logistics Tea with Tessie and Alex.